Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Quickora Global. We hope you're doing great. Well, in today's video, we will be talking about major UK immigration changes 2026, what you need to know. Please hit like and subscribe, and don't forget to push the notification bell for an upcoming video. 1. What has already changed? The UK skilled worker route has experienced significant transformations over the past 2 years, reshaping both eligibility requirements and employer responsibilities. These updates are crucial for anyone planning to apply or for businesses that rely on international talent. Understanding the changes can help applicants position themselves strategically and allow employers to plan recruitment effectively. Higher skill level. Since July 22, 2025, the skilled worker visa has become more selective, with most roles below RQF 6, equivalent to a bachelor's degree, no longer qualifying unless they appear on the temporary shortage occupation list. This adjustment has effectively cut out many mid-level roles, emphasizing the need for degree-level skills. Applicants who previously relied on experience or mid-level qualifications now face higher barriers, meaning careful career and role planning has become essential. Higher salary thresholds. Salary requirements have also seen a significant increase. Following a rise in 2024 and a further increase in 2025, new skilled worker applicants usually need a minimum salary of £41,700 or the occupation's going rate, whichever is higher. This increase has forced employers to adjust budgets and compensation packages. Mid-level roles that were previously viable for sponsorship may now fall below the new threshold, prompting applicants to consider either negotiating salaries or targeting higher-skilled positions. Social care rules tightened. The recruitment of international staff for social care positions has become more restricted. Only limited transitional cases are eligible, meaning that many care providers are facing acute hiring pressures. This change has real consequences for the sector, which already experiences staffing challenges, and underscores the importance of long-term workforce planning for employers dependent on international recruitment. Skilled worker changes confirmed for 2026. B2 English requirement from January 8, 2026. A major update affecting all new skilled worker applicants is the mandatory B2 level English requirement. This change will apply to everyone entering, switching, or moving between related visa routes. Graduate visa holders who previously relied on lower English scores may now find themselves ineligible unless they meet this higher standard. Early preparation and proactive language development have become essential for future applicants. Higher immigration skills charge. The immigration skills charge will rise from December 16, 2025, meaning employers sponsoring skilled workers must budget for higher costs. Businesses need to carefully consider these additional financial commitments when planning recruitment, particularly for roles where salaries already meet the new thresholds. Graduate route and skilled worker transitions. Switching from a graduate visa to a skilled worker visa now requires early and strategic planning. Students should focus on roles with clear growth paths, degree-level skill demands, and salaries that meet the updated thresholds. The introduction of the B2 English requirement makes last-minute applications or role changes much more challenging, emphasizing the importance of mapping out career paths well in advance. Partner visa rules, where things stand in 2025 and what might change. Current Appendix FM rules. Partner and spouse visa rules remain largely stable. The minimum income requirement currently stands at £29,000, with no additional income required for dependent children. Applicants who joined before April 2024 continue to benefit from transitional thresholds. Partners of British citizens generally remain on a 5-year settlement track, which applies to married couples, civil partners, unmarried partners, and fiancé visa applicants. Possible partner visa updates in 2026. While the Migration Advisory Committee has reviewed the minimum income requirement, no confirmed changes have yet been announced. Current proposals suggest that partners of British citizens will continue on a 5-year route to settlement, offering reassurance to families concerned about potential extensions of the settlement timeline. Settlement and ILR, the proposed Earned Settlement UK system. In November 2025, the Home Office launched a consultation on a new long-term settlement approach called Earned Settlement UK. Although these proposals are not yet legally binding, they signal the government's intention to link long-term residency more closely to skills, earnings, and contributions. What the consultation proposes for 2026. The proposed system would create different timelines for indefinite leave to remain. Most sponsored and work-based migrants could expect a 10-year route, while high earners and key public sector workers might qualify for a 5-year accelerated track. Mid-skill roles with steady contributions but lower pay could see a 15-year route, and complex regularization cases could stretch up to 30 years. Partners of British citizens, BNO visa holders, and EU settlement scheme participants would remain exempt from these extended timelines. While these are not final rules, they illustrate the government's intent to prioritize skill and contribution in the settlement process. Students and post-study work. What will change next? Graduate route duration shortened from 2027. From January 1, 2027, the graduate route will be shortened for bachelor's and master's graduates to 18 months, while PhD holders will retain the full 3-year period. This change increases the urgency for graduates to secure skilled worker roles earlier in their careers. Higher student maintenance requirements. Since November 11, 2025, international students must demonstrate greater financial resources, £1,529 per month in London and £1,171 per month outside London. These higher maintenance requirements mean students must plan ahead to meet visa conditions and ensure a smooth transition into post-study work opportunities. What you should do now. Practical advice. For skilled worker applicants and employers, it is vital to confirm that roles meet our QF6 requirements, ensure salaries are above the updated thresholds, and prepare for the B2 English requirement in early 2026. Applying for extensions or ILR before April 2026, where possible, may protect applicants from upcoming changes. Partner and spouse visa applicants should apply under current rules if ready, maintain meticulous records, and safeguard the 5-year settlement path. Those planning ILR should consider early applications under existing rules, seek advice if their roles or salaries fall below new thresholds, and review long-term options in light of the Earned Settlement UK proposals. Students and graduate visa holders must plan their career paths early, focus on sponsor-eligible roles, and track how evolving skill and salary requirements affect their sector. Early preparation is key to navigating these upcoming changes successfully. In summary, UK immigration rules in 2026 will emphasize higher skills, stronger English proficiency, and clear pathways to long-term settlement. Staying informed, planning early, and adapting to new thresholds are essential for applicants, employers, and students alike.